So here we go. Quickest how to make one of these wires. You'll see part numbers and everything on the explanation later. So pretty much here's your tool. You got marked where you're gonna cut 7/8 to 1/2 inch. Make your cut. Take that out. Place your crimp on your tool. I like to preset it like that, and then I like to fold a wire over the logo. That way I know that that's going to be pointing out whenever it's snapped in. And we press it in here. And hold on a second, trying to get to see what I'm seeing and what I'm showing you, plus what I'm doing is turning out to be a little bit hard. And then crimp. And this is what you end up with. Once you're at this stage, I pre-lube these. This one so it goes over the coil easy, and then this one so this goes in easy. And pretty much you just work it in there. This part is a bit of a pain sometimes because it does that, what it's doing right there, it catches the edge of the wire. But pretty much push it. Gotta work it in there, and voila, snaps in. And waiting for it to come out in the end and showing you at the same time. You can't see it, but it's there. So there you go. That wire's made. So I have it snapped on the bottom, and then this here, and that's it. So the wire is going to go over the top, and I have one more wire to make, which is this one. But with that one example, you get the idea. So this is more or less what the old wires look like done. Well, most of the wires done. The kit I'm using is this part number right here, 561113. They also have a red one. Black goes with obviously the theme of the car here. But yeah, I hope that is helpful. And let me show you around real quick. If you haven't seen my other videos, I made these brackets and I bought that, like some eBay brackets for the coils. And pretty much that's what my coil near plug setup looks like. That's the one wire that I need to finish. And you just saw me make that one in like 2 minutes. Well, hope you enjoyed.